All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I haven't been taking like the phone mining very seriously. Mainly the phones that I got just aren't great for it. And I keep looking at the A03S that everybody's buying, and it's just like it's like $59 right now or $49. It's kind of expensive. So I've been looking for alternatives, and I ran across a guy on YouTube. Shout out. I'm gonna go ahead. I'll put his link down below in the description for his video. Please let him know if you go over there and check it out. Just let him know where you came from. Just show him a little bit of love. You know, subscribe, like, do all that kind of stuff. You know, be nice. But his name is Paperclip, and he actually found an alternative. It's a little bit cheaper than an A03S, and it mines basically just as good. It's got a removable back cover on the phone, whereas like some of these phones that I have, like the Flip and stuff, there's just not really any way to get the metal back cover off without tearing it up. But this has got a plastic removable back cover, so you can keep it cooler. It's mining in the low 4 mega hash, just pretty much straight out of the box, and it's cheap. So let me flip it around and show you what we're working with. All right, so here's Paperclip's video where he shows the hash rate and stuff of it mining. And I was looking and I was like, oh, you know, you can find them on Amazon, $39, but they're actually on sale at Walmart for $29. So you save $10 when purchased online. It's the TCL A3. Let's see here. It's comparing it to the LG Dynasty. Verus cell mining hash rates. There's a way to look it up. Hold on. Let me go back on his video. He shows. Yeah, A03S, so it's 4.16 average, and then he goes down to the TCL. Yep, there it is. So TCL 3, 4.19 average, so almost actually a little bit better. So I'm gonna definitely pull the trigger on this. Hopefully this sale lasts for quite a while. I don't know if it applies to more than just one. I will know here shortly, and I'll pin it down below in the comment section, but this may be a good option for people that are looking for a cheaper phone to get into Verus mining. Now, what's the profitability and what's the payoff? Never. So just this is more on the hobby side of things. Obviously it could make money if you hold on to them and it skyrockets, but just for right now, for, you know, giggles and shittles, you know, it ain't making money. What is, let's see here, Verus mining calculator, 4.1 mega hash is 3.5 cents a day. So let's calculate that out. We didn't even take power into account, but 30 bucks. We won't even take tax into account. Divided by 0.035, it'll only take 857 days. So yeah, obviously it doesn't make money, but we gonna try it. We gonna try it. I still do have this Note 5, which I'm not even getting a full mega hash because I can only run 2 cores because it runs so hot. Somebody suggested me putting a wire rack up, that way I can have like a fan blowing across and have all of them up hanging there. Especially while I'm in here, I use this fan. So now this bad boy, I had to turn off 1, 2, 3 cores, so we're only getting 2.7 mega hash on the Flip, but it seems to be keeping it cool as well. So wham bam, thank you ma'am. I'm gonna go ahead and order one of these, so that should be in momentarily, next few days, and we'll do a review on it. By the way, again, big shout out to Paperclip for finding this, and yeah, wham bam. Ladies and gentlemen, have a good night. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.